Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here at the Messy Desk and we are going to make fun things for your paper crafting or other gift giving even items out of erasers. I got these two little bags of erasers. They have 60 in each one and I got them at Target. This one has little, it has snowflakes and gingerbread people. And this one has Santa and gingerbread people. And this one has snowmen and a variety of snowflakes. So let's go ahead and start with making a charm. And so let's see, we have Santa. And I'm going to go ahead and this is actually going to be for the palm tree journal that I'm working on, and so I'm going to use a purple pen. So I have these pens that have the pretty pearlized heads on them, and I'm just going to go ahead and, if you can see that, I'm going to go ahead and stab the eraser and go through it, hopefully coming out at the top. Yeah, woohoo! So okay, so pushing it through. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and just carefully take the point off the pen. You can leave it if you don't have something to take it off, but it is hard to get it. So you want to make sure that you're not going to hurt anybody with it. Or that's how I feel about it anyway. Okay, so now you're going to take your round jewelry pliers and I'm going to put the end of the pen right in the middle, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn this. And I'm going to turn it so that it turns on itself and it literally will go inside. Got to come back a little. Okay, so come back and have a hook and then turn on, and it'll go, it might even go inside the eraser, which is really good because then you don't have to worry about that point, and you don't have to worry about it coming off of whatever you're attaching it to. So of course you can have it at different, the different angles, and so that is how you make a charm. And then we also have the little guys here. Now I always want my my charms to usually have come out the top, or the pen to come out the top, so that you can put them facing straight up and down onto whatever you're going to be using it, however you're going to be using the charm. So you could use this charm on paper clip. You could use this charm on, so I've started my circle. I'm going to come back and I'm going to bend it back towards myself, and that gives me a little bit straighter. You see that? So we have like a hanger hook, and then come back in and finish the turn. Okay. And this time it's coming to itself. So then when that happens, you want to make sure that you've got it up against each other. Okay? So that gives us the little gingerbread person. So now, how do we make this little charm? Okay, so we have the little charm, and it has the little dangly on it, and we have basically a full snowman. So we are going to grab a snowman. Actually, let's grab one with this one. Okay, and we are going to use, this is a corsage or boutonniere pen from the David to Tara, or whatever his name is, from Michael's collection. You find it in the wedding section. And so this one Oh, I cut the pointy off, but that's okay. It will go through. Just hope we came through at the bottom of his mouth. It's okay, because you can just put it back in. Erasers are pretty forgiving. I really want this one to come through the center. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to push it up here. Okay, and oh, you know what? To be able to make him be a charm, we need to add a pen going in the other direction. So carefully you need to put one back through. It's moving my other pen. I don't know if you see that. Okay, so we've got the little pen. I should have done the little pen first. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the end of him off. Make our charm ring. Okay, because this is how this is going to hold and be an actual charm. Okay, and now we're going to come in and put an eraser on underneath him or her. This one, he does look like a him, so I'm going to say him. Okay, pull it through. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we want to push it all the way up to scrunch him up. Okay, and now we need another little snowflake. And stay tuned because I have one more really fun thing to do with these erasers. I am really excited about. So this is making charms, but I have another. I think it's going to be fun. Okay, so we'll go this way with this one. Okay, so we're just making our charm circle. Okay, so that will hold our charm. And then this one, we're going to go ahead and start it back. We're going to go side to side. Okay, we're going to start it. We're going to come back over here, bring it on itself, make the hanger, and then finish the loop. Okay, and my loop went into my eraser, which I think is great. And of course I forgot to attach our other charm. So we're going to put that on and then come over and finish putting it through. Okay, so that gives us this little guy, and then he is on a charm, so he can hang inside a tassel. He could be the charm that hangs on the outside of the book. He could be a necklace. I mean, you could put a chain or a string through him, and he could be a excuse me, he could be a necklace. Excuse me. So I have one more really fun thing to do with the little snowman, and that is to make a stick pin. Again, I'm going to pull out the David Tutero, or whatever his name is, pen, and I am going to, it is, let's see, it is just a little under 2 inches at where the head starts. So 1 7/8 is where it is. So, I mean, you can find a corsage pen or something that's longer. Okay, so now this one we've just gone ahead and we went through. Okay, and to make him into I'm going to go ahead and cut the pen off, just because I would hate for it to poke somebody as it is, and that's not too bad. Okay, and then I'm going to come in and grab an eraser, and I don't think I want the white one because it reminds me of a snowman. Okay, so just putting this down here, and you have a stick pin. And how would you use a stick pin? So if you had, you know, a tag or a paper or something that you wanted to gift, like for a flow journal, you could take and use, well, you see, you would want to keep the pin. So we'll use that for something else. So you want to keep the pin. And I like these ones with the dark blue hats because of the journals that I'm working on right now. They'll go really well. These other things, though, would go really cute in like a journal for a little girl. Okay, so here with the pen. And just push it through. And then on the other end, you just push it through. So there you have an adorable stick pin that I think it's adorable. Okay, so of course you could do the same thing with Santa. And how would you do that? Let's figure him out. Okay, he has, okay, I would probably cut his little, the white flu off the top. Oh, I hope I haven't. I do. I have another two. Okay, and then take the David, the pen, and now this is going to become his foo off the, that would be on the top of his hat. Okay, and it's okay that it's close like this because when you're putting it on, it was nice to have it close. Okay, so that is his pen foof, and then I think we'll use a little gingerbread person as his other spot. Okay, so say you have a piece of this note paper. You could, I like the lace in the middle. So I just folded up a piece of lace. Stick it here. Put this through. Okay. And then just stick it in your little gingerbread guy. Okay. So there you have your little stick pin. I love that one. I think he's cuter. But there you go. So stick pins, dangly charms, and charms, all made out of erasers and the pens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Which one's your favorite? I like him, and I think these are really fun. Dingle, dangle, dangle. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.